When you look at my screen right here, you realize that I've got over 10,000 subscribers in just a period of 28 days. As you see here, in just 28 days, I've managed to get over 10,000 subscribers. And this is not the first time I'm getting this number of subscribers in a very short kind of a period like this. When I take you back, in March 2025, I got almost the same number of subscribers as you see right here. From March 1st to 31st of March 2025, I got 9,600 subscribers in just 1 month. If I was just beginning YouTube, if I was just beginning uploading videos on YouTube, this strategy that I'm going to show you is the same strategy that I could use to grow up my new channel. And if you're just beginning on YouTube, if you want to grow a YouTube channel, you want to get subscribers, you want to get views, you want to get watch hours, stick around, because in this video I'm about to show you a strategy that will get you subscribers every single day. You can actually get 100 subs every day, you can get 200 subs every day, you can get 400 subs every day, you can get 500 subs every day by using these strategies. If this is your first time to be here, you're most welcome. My name is Ben, and on this channel I make videos about tools, tips, and strategies on how to grow on YouTube. So subscribe and turn on notifications if you've not subscribed yet. Let's grow together. Now, before I think about getting new subscribers, before I think about getting watch hours, before I think about getting new viewers, this is one thing that you have to first put in your mind. And this one thing, it's actually the reason why a lot of YouTubers fail, because they fail to understand this one thing. This one thing that I'm actually talking about, it is stop focusing at new viewers, stop focusing at new subscribers, and focus at your current subscribers. Now, let's say you're currently having 50 subscribers and your goal is to get 1,000 subscribers. This is what you need to do. You should not focus at getting the 950 subscribers to hit 1K subscribers. But what you need to do is to focus at the 50 subscribers. Look at the 50 subscribers and understand what they need to watch. Look at the 50 subscribers and understand the reason why they subscribe to your YouTube channel. Because every viewer subscribes to a channel with a reason. So first ask yourself, why did these 50 subscribers subscribe to my channel? And once you realize the reason why they subbed your channel, begin making content about that particular reason. And once you make content about that particular reason, these people are going to begin engaging with your videos. And now, once your subscribers begin engaging with your videos, it's going to send a good signal to the YouTube algorithm that your subscribers like your videos, which interprets to the YouTube algorithm that if the people that actually subscribe to your YouTube channel, they are engaging with your videos, it means that the same people that like the content that you're making out there that have not discovered your channel, they can like your content if the algorithm recommends your content to them. And now what the algorithm is going to do is to recommend your videos to those people. And once your videos gets recommended to those people, the people are going to watch. So you should actually stop sharing your content. You should not focus at sharing your content to new people to subscribe to your channel, because those people are not even interested in your content. Now, as you see right here, this is my video, and this is the information that the YouTube algorithm tells me right here. Views are 3.9 times higher than usual. More regular viewers are choosing to watch it, and they're watching it longer, helping to increase its reach on YouTube recommendation. Now, the views of this video got almost 4 times higher than usual just because my regular viewers engaged with this video, just because my subscribers engaged with this video, and my subscribers were watching this video longer than usual. So what the YouTube algorithm did is to recommend my video to new people. Now, after my subscribers getting engaged with this video, it sent a good signal to the YouTube algorithm, and the YouTube algorithm recommended this video to new audience, the new audience that you want right now. But I tricked it by using my own subscribers. Now, after the algorithm recommending my video to new audience, I was able to get over 2,700 subscribers. It didn't just stop there. I got also 5,000 watch hours that actually, when you combine these two any channel can get monetized because a channel needs only 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. But here I got 2,000 subscribers and I got 5,000 watch hours. By combining these two, you can monetize any YouTube channel. So it literally means that my strategy works. Now, after putting that in your mind, the second thing that you need to improve on, it is your content arrangement. Now, a lot of YouTubers actually lose views just because of poor content arrangement. For example, let's say you're making a video about how to make Cajon's baby lotion. Now, if you want to hook your viewers, watch your video for a long time, you should not always begin with the intro, okay? Do not come with, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ben. On this channel, I make videos about this and that and that. Do not say that. What you need to do is to go straight to the value of the video. What you're going to do is to actually go straight to the point. And this is how you do the intro. Were you wondering how to make Cajon's baby lotion? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Cajon's baby lotion. So what you need to make Cajon's baby lotion, it is the milk, mineral oil, honey, water, blah, blah, blah. After mentioning out the ingredients that you need to make this lotion, you can now bring in the intro. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ben. On this channel, I make videos about how to make lotion. And if this is your first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget turn on notifications so that you get notified in my next video. So in your intro, you're not just talking about yourself, but you're sending a call to action. You're telling your viewers to subscribe. Remember, you're designing this video so that it gets recommended to new people. And once it gets recommended to new people, you have to tell the new people to subscribe. So you do that in the intro. But always make sure that before you bring in the intro, you tell the people the reason to why they should watch the video, which is the value of the video, how to make the lotion. And once someone knows the value of the video, I promise you they are going to watch that video for long. And once they watch your video longer, it's going to send a signal to the algorithm that you recommended this video to someone new to this channel, but that person watched the video longer and the person liked the video. The person subscribed to the video. And what you're going to end up with, it is great news. Your channel got more views from YouTube recommendation. Because when the YouTube algorithm recommends your video to new people and they watch it longer, it's going to keep on recommending, and people are going to keep on watching. The second thing you should improve about your videos, and this is more important, it is the sound of your videos. Now, if you make a good quality video with a bad quality sound, like a bad quality audio, that video, people will not watch it because people will not be hearing you. People don't like videos where they don't hear the creator. But if you make a video that has a good quality audio, even if the video itself it's kind of blur, it's not clear, people will watch that video. They'll be hearing what you're teaching, what you're acting, what you're singing. If you are thinking about low budget mics with good quality, I could literally recommend this. These mics are called SX31 and they are so amazing. They have a good quality sound. These are wireless mics and they are universal. You can connect them to your Android phone, you can connect them to your iPhone, you can even connect them to your camera. They can be connected to any device as soon as that device accepts external mics. So go for these if you want to improve your sound. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Watch this playlist if you've not set up your YouTube channel. If you've not verified your YouTube channel, you've not optimized your YouTube channel, you've not set up your YouTube channel for views, you need to first set up your YouTube channel. So watch this playlist and set up your channel alongside this playlist before you can apply anything on your channel. All right, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.